All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and with today's video, I'm going to be doing another review for the cases on my Samsung Galaxy S21. So this is from Ghost Tech. It's the Atomic Slim, and they make this for the Plus and Ultra as well. I have the regular S21 here, but they do make it for the other ones. Now, it's only $39.98 on Amazon with Prime shipping currently, so if you are interested in purchasing this after watching my video, do go down in the description, follow my Amazon affiliate links, and click and buy. It's that simple. And just by doing so, you are supporting my channel. I do earn a tiny commission for everything that you purchase following my links. So big thank you for that. Now, Ghost Tech was kind enough to send this to me for my unbiased opinion and review. So big thank you to Ghost Tech for doing so. So let's go ahead and take a peek at this one. So this is the Phantom Black version. They do make it in a lot of different colors. I actually already did one of their carbon fiber style, so you can follow the card up above, but this is Phantom Black. So you have a clear back with a black aluminum bumper around it. Now, as you can see here, you have that holographic sticker that says Samsung S21 5G. You do have Ghost Tech branding there with the little card that's inside of the case, the RSX shock absorbing technology. So you're getting some really good corner protection when you drop the phone. It is drop tested at 12 feet, so you're getting way better than just regular standard military drop protection. QR code here, if you do want to scan this, it lets you go to somewhere where you can actually watch the case in action, as they put it. Atomic Slim 4 here, that Ghost Tech branding there. Same here, same on this side. Nothing really at the bottom, nothing really at the top. The back just kind of breaks down everything that we're going to talk about in this video. So wireless charging compatible, it's multi-layered, which obviously, you know, it's got the aluminum and the TPU and all that. Non-slip grip, raised camera lips, which will show you the aluminum alloy frame, or aluminium if you are British. And then slim, precise fit and limited lifetime warranty. So the way to get this out is very simple. You open it, you slide it. That's it. Very, very, very simple. And you do get a couple things in here. So it looks like they, give you this card again that just says, hey, do you want to, see how it works? And then thank you for your purchase, all that stuff. And then a Ghost Tech sticker, so kind of cool. And then clear nothing. And then inside of there is your just kind of normal junk that you don't need. And I'm going to go ahead and push that through and get that out. And here is the phone case itself, but let's look at the inside. So as you can see here, you're immediately greeted with kind of just like burnt orange / reddish color. And it's just this really nice shock absorbing material. Like I said, that R7X. So it's just this really grippy material that's going to keep the phone in place, but also help with shock absorption when you drop it, help dissipate the energy away in the event of a fall. So hopefully that helps to prevent a break. But as you can see, it is a clear back. It's crystal clear, as you can see. So let's grab my Phantom Gray S21 and slap it in real quick. Start with the button side and then just push in. And there it is, installed. So let me go ahead and wipe it down real quick so that way you kind of get the full effect of the niceness of this case. So there it is. So definitely a very good looking case. So you have this really nice camera bump that is raised. So you do have a really nice protection going on here for that camera bump. You do have Atomic branding right there. So you have the branding there. It's very minimal, but I do love the cutout for the camera bump. If you know anything about my channel, you know I'm a big fan of the camera bumps that hug that beauty of that new lip and then kind of gives you that little half circle for the flash. So definitely getting some really nice protection with the camera bump. As you can see here with the design on the back, since it is an aluminum alloy frame, it does give you that kind of hard metal feel to it. But as you can see here, it's kind of got this little raise going on here. So it is raised on the back. So when you're holding it, your fingers are gonna feel that the whole time, which some people love it, some people hate it. I don't mind it. I do prefer that it was more of a flat back, but I'm okay with that little raised lip there. But as you can see, it is crystal clear. So you are able to see like the Samsung logo. You have Ghost Tech branding here. It does have kind of like a more of a grippier fill here and then kind of the harder fill here. So it's kind of a combination of the TPU and the aluminum alloy, because it does kind of give you two different shades of black as well right there, since it's two different types of materials. So let's go ahead and do the shake test on the back real quick since we're talking about the back. And not really much shaking going on. A little bit of a shake there, but that's to be expected because of the cutout for the camera bump. Now the sides here, as you can see, you can kind of see the combination of some of this grippiness for the TPU, the aluminum alloy frame. So kind of just this like really cool little contours going all throughout the sides here. But as you can see, you do have a raised power button and volume up and down button. So it's that TPU material portion. Then you can kind of see the aluminum alloy kind of shining through. You can see the different little ridges with it, a little hump there on the bumpers on the corners. And then when you get to the side here, it also has a little bit of a raise, but you can see this little grippy material right here. So when you're holding the device, that little grip actually does help a little bit, because with an aluminum alloy frame, it can get slippery sometimes depending on if it's cold outside or your hands are just dry. It can get slippy. So it is nice to have that little added grip there. On the bottom, as you can see here, you once again have a little combination of the two different materials. You have a nice little cutout here for the USB-C port and mic and the speaker grill. On the side here, it's continuing on with that aluminum alloy and TPU mixture. But most of this is all the aluminum alloy right here and right here. But you do get that little grip right there once again. And then at the top, same thing, but you do get your two dedicated cutouts for the mics up top. As far as the front goes, as you can see here, you do have some nice lips raised around the whole entire front of the screen. So you are getting some really good screen protection with this. And as you can see with the little reflection here of the wood, you can definitely see that nice little grip there, or excuse me, the lip there, not grip. And then on the front, I really like how they do their cutouts, because it has it just raised up enough where you're seeing the top of the phone. So as you can see that shiny part there, you're actually seeing the railing of the phone, but that way they don't have to cover up the actual speaker grill up top. So you got full exposure of your speaker grill, but it just looks really seamless. So as you can see there, you can kind of even see the antenna band there, but very sleek looking case on the front. So let's go ahead and do the shake test on the front and see how it performs. No shake at all, which is to be expected. It's very flat, so definitely didn't think it was gonna shake. So let's go ahead and do the button test real quick and do the clicky buttons and see how those react. So let's do power button first. And volume up and down. Okay, so clicky buttons, without a doubt. Definitely clicky, clicky, clicky. I'm sure you heard it in the video with my lavalier mic up here. So it is a very clicky button. So love it, love it, love it, love it. So next, let's go ahead and do the Qi wireless charging capabilities. So I have my Spigen wireless charger here. Let's go ahead and slap it on. And as you can see, it instantly tells you that it is wirelessly charging. And obviously with the Spigen wireless charger here that I have, it does actually do fast wireless charging. So as you can see there, it is definitely wirelessly charging the device, which was to be expected. Next thing, let's go ahead and just do the wireless power sharing test. Usually if it's Qi wireless charging compatible, then it does usually allow that wireless power sharing capabilities. But just for jollies, let's go ahead and do that real quick. So let me grab my Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Let's stick it on here and let's see if it charges them. All right, so got my Galaxy Buds Plus here. So let's go ahead and just place it on the back of the phone. They vibrated and you can see the red dot indicating that they are wirelessly charging. So they definitely are charging. So that means that this does the wireless power sharing. So obviously I kind of assumed that with a clear back, but I just wanted to do it for the video. So with all that being said, guys, for under $40 to be able to get a rugged case from Ghost Tech that gives you this really cool cutout on the back to show off the colors of whatever it is that you have on your phone, if it's the Phantom Black or the Phantom Gray, or if you put a skin on your device like I do all the time, you're gonna be able to show it off, but get that protection that you want and also look really cool. So hit that like button, guys, if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.